Let's play some Green Hill. Hell yeah, it's Green Hill. I love Green. Oh dear. Oh no. It's secret rings. What have I done? Hello. I've modded secret rings into this game, sort of. Now, firstly, work in progress. This is not a good thing at all, and probably won't be for a good while. As you can see, these light maps are still from Green Hill. I'm also aware that someone was working on this, but I don't think that ever released. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, hey, this has been quite fun for a day's work. So this is Oasis. This appears in Sonic and the Secret Rings, everybody's favourite Sonic game. He lied. So what we have is the original stage. It's not currently been really modified at all beyond removing the stupid shadow maps that are baked in it as meshes, which I haven't completely removed. Whoops, I missed some. I didn't know until a minute ago. But as you can see, it's all here, and it's not at all custom to Sonic's Boost gameplay style, as it shouldn't be. I might have to change this around quite a lot, because this is not accustomed to the game design of modern Sonic. There we go. Once you get up around here, it's a bit better, because it's less tight. I may just scale it up, make everything massive. Hey, fun thing about this! Right, so you see, let's turn around. Whoop, it has no back faces. This is just completely transparent from one side, but the collision's two-sided. I need to really not have that, because it causes a lot of problems. It's quite easy to clip in things, but maybe not as easy to get out of things. And also, because the game was designed from a Rails point of view, everything's quite twisty, curvy, turny, so here's the start of the stage. And you can just kind of run through here, and oh look, I'm halfway through. Woo. So now you can run around this bit, which I'm definitely going to have to spline, because there is no way in hell you're going to be able to do this. And then, whoa, look, scripted section, sort of. SonicGLVL is not very good, so this is quite difficult to do, and it's quite dodgy, it doesn't work all the time. But it does work, like it did there. Then it works okay. And a spring, because I need to do the big wall running bit. Well, there we go. I don't entirely know why this looks pretty, because there is no reason this lighting should be this nice, or nice at all. I do not get it. Like, I've not baked any global illumination atlases, or any, like, nice shadows or anything, but there's some actually nice real-time lighting here, what the hell? It's quite confusing. The light is actually just Green Hill Design's default light, because I couldn't get actual nice lighting to work for some reason, so I don't entirely know. Happy accident? Probably. You can fall through the ground here. You're supposed to run up and do that weird side thingy section and then get fucked over by a rock and some sand. But you can fall down there. So I'm going to run around and then realise that, oh shit, the thing doesn't exist and there's no water, so no can do. But because, again, not on rails and secret rings, you can kind of just walk around your problems most of the time. Fuck, whoa, that was close. But yeah, you can see, here's the town that's just past that pier, and those are the shadow maps that I accidentally forgot to get rid of. I thought I got them all, but I didn't. And look, it's the end of the stage. Ta-da! There's no gold ring, but it's the end of the stage, and you can get over here and realise that there's no back faces to this either, and it's all an illusion, it's all a game, life is futile, and so on and so forth. Yeah, it kind of works. There's gonna have to be a lot to make this work with Sonic's modern gameplay style. Also, you're gonna fall for a while because I don't have any death blades in. So yeah, this is fun in highly inverted commas.